How to make your media kit stand out with TBDC. Number 1. Use a template. You can find dozens of templates online or even create one for yourself. Number 2. Use good quality paper and printer ink. When choosing printer paper, look for options with high opacity. That is the amount of light that passes through. Number 3. Format all text. The standard is Times New Roman font at 12-point size with 1-inch margins throughout your document. Number 4. Remember that fonts should only be italicized when referencing other work, such as books or movies, because italics aren't meant for emphasis purposes like bolding, underlining. Instead, use those whenever possible. For more tips and tricks, follow our page.